they didn't mean it. They realized their mistakes. This individual acted out of character, is what I'm hearing for some of you. This person was going down a path of being independent. They felt like they needed to be independent from you. Maybe they wanted to pursue their career. Maybe they just felt like, money or career was more important than connecting with you. But what was really going on behind the scenes is that this person was very stressed. They were stressed out about their family. For others of you, this individual could have been trying to keep up with the Joneses. Maybe they wanted to impress their family, impress their peers, and they felt like being independent from you would help them to align with what they had in mind, or align with the plans that they felt their family members wanted for them, right? For others of you, I just feel like this individual may have abruptly changed and switched up on you. They may have snapped at you, they may have argued with you for no reason. Like, this very turbulent and destructive energy was brought forth to your connection with them. There may have been a tumultuous end and you were blindsided by it. You just didn't understand where it was coming from, why they had so much rage, why they were acting in the way that they did. However, you continue to focus on self, focus on your healing, focus on your growth. But you were shocked, I'm not going to lie, with the Tower card. You were shocked. And this could be a family member for some of you. And if that's the case, this individual, I feel like they were going through a lot of burdens and they actually took it out on you. And they didn't feel like they could confront what they were experiencing. Maybe they were going through a breakup. Maybe they were struggling financially. Maybe they definitely were going through something and they took it out on you. And they felt like the best thing to do was just to remove themselves from you. Page of Wands, Aries energy. Aries are independent. Remove themselves from you and just disappear, basically. But this person feels a lot of regret. They feel a lot of regret because for some of you, what they were seeking outside of this actual connection with you, for some of you, it could be a family member, it could be a partner or an ex-partner, but what they were seeking outside of the connection with you, they found out that what they were seeking basically wasn't seeking them. And also, they could be surrounded by snakes. They could be surrounded by individuals that have hidden agendas. They are starting to look at their behavior patterns. They're starting to realize that they may have come across like someone that was untrustworthy. How this individual treated you is now making this person face their shadows. Now, guys, we all have shadow aspects and light aspects, but I feel like this switch up that you experienced, it came out from nowhere, but it was from somewhere. It was from somewhere. For some of you, it was from this person trying to appease their family. Maybe they come from a very established family, and I feel like, trigger warning, maybe this individual felt like money was more important than the actual connection. In the time that they were with you, I don't feel like they were appreciating who you are, what you brought to the table. They thought that money could make them happy. For some of you, they wanted to appease a certain family member or their family members. And they just thought like, once I get this money, once I get this house, once I get this car, they were just so fixated on the material. And it made you feel stressed, because you felt to yourself, okay, who am I actually dating? I didn't know I was dating this type of person. I thought me and you were aligned. I thought that, I'm working on myself, you're working on yourself. You're showing me that, you're a stranger right now. You're showing me that you place certain things over this actual connection. I'm starting to think that you're not valuing me. You're acting, wait a minute, you're acting like you're better than me. This person started to act like they were better than you. And you may have met this person when they had nothing. You may have met this person when they were struggling. And for some of you, they got this new role, they got this job, or whatever the case is, and they started to act like they didn't know you, and it was very disheartening for you. But you had to play your position as well, right? And again, for some of you, this individual, they placed their family over you, status over you, all the above. And they were just thinking about how they will be perceived to the public. So for some of you, they disregarded the actual connection. They hid the connection. They hid what you both shared with each other. And what you shared with each other was real. But they valued other people's opinion over the situation that they had with you. And they came to a realization that they were actually in devil energy. And you distance yourself from this person. Maybe for some of you, you tried to reason with this individual, but you just felt like it wasn't working. For some of you, you felt like, why do I have to teach you how to treat me? I thought we knew each other. Clearly not. For others of you, you were left bewildered. You were left feeling lost, feeling confused about the strange behavior. But one thing that you had that was certain was that you knew that you did not deserve this treatment. And so you cut them off. And by you walking away and cutting them off, at first, this person was just okay with it. They were all up in the status energy. They were all up in the energy of, I need to get mine. I need to get money. I need to get this. I need to get that. They were just acting very toxic. They were in their own world. And you just simply left them to it. You didn't agree with the caliber of people that they were around. For some of you, you didn't agree with the family members that they were around, and they started to move in certain circles and it didn't align with you. And you sensed that when this individual was aligning with different types of people, it made them change to a person that you didn't recognize, to a materialistic person, to a person that is very ego-centered, to a person that has lacked their human side. For others of you, this individual felt like if it was a family member or something like that, they were feeling a sense of lack. They didn't feel like they were where they wanted to be in their life. And I feel like it stressed them out to the point where they just felt like they needed to walk away from you. Maybe due to jealousy for some of you. They didn't want to be around you. Maybe you were thriving. Maybe you were winning. Maybe you and your family were doing well. And maybe this person wasn't. But they treated you as if you did something wrong. And I'm hearing Spirit is urging you to take your power back, or you did take your power back. After some ruminating thoughts, you found the light again, because you just didn't understand what was going on. But Spirit is saying it wasn't for you to understand. It was for this individual or these individuals to understand what they actually lost. And this person is realizing that they actually lost a real one, because their life at the moment is quite chaotic. It's lacking direction. They're realizing that the people that they aligned with, I'm hearing they blocked their blessings, or they were very territorial. they felt stifled, they felt repressed, and they're looking at things from your point of view, and they're realizing that they may have come across as very selfish and mean-spirited towards you, and it's breaking their heart, because for some of you, this person made a choice. This person made a choice to sabotage you. This person made a choice to choose others over you. This person made a choice to lash out at you without confronting what's really going on. This person made a choice to choose others over you because they look better for their image, and now they feel isolated and alone. Even when they're with these individuals, they don't feel the warmth from you. Look, you are the sun. You're coming up as the sun. This person feels isolated and alone. Whoever they are around, whoever they chose over you, whether it's family members, business partners, please take what resonates, friends, they feel, that saying when they say, even when you're around a person, right, you still feel alone. That's how this person feels. And they feel like when they were with you, they had so much fun, They feel the burden of their choices. They feel like you saw them for who they really were. They felt alive with you. You were a vibe. You were that escape from the mundane. But they downplayed that energy. And they leaned towards, they leaned towards how they will look for others. This is who they really are. They're very playful. They're very jovial. Yes, they're hardworking. But they didn't understand that they can balance out the two. And they chose wrong. For some of you, this person, I'm just getting a sense that someone chose, money, status, wealth, who looks good to be seen with in the public, what type of job title I want to get, but I can't be with you because it's not going to align with, it was that type of energy. For others of you, it's the energy of, I'm not where I want to be, so I can't be around you, but I'm going to make you feel like you've done something wrong to me. That's what it is. And things are not going well. This person feels blocked now. This person feels like they can't access you. For some of you, yeah, they got the money, but they ain't got the peace. Yeah, they got the money, but they ain't got that vibe that you provide. So they're really regretting how they treated you. And for some of you, this person still hasn't got that money that they wanted. And they're realizing that it was all for nothing. They're still not in the position that they wanted to be in their career. They're lacking fun, they're lacking love, and they do think back on you. This could be a family member for some of you. They do think back, that person used to give me jokes. We used to have so much fun. We used to go out, we used to do this. But for some of you, it's a wrap, 10 of swords. Like, you've literally taking yourself away, like you've walked away. You may have wrapped up this cycle when Saturn was in Pisces for some of you, right? There's something about things are not the same. They set the tone and you ended it, because you're showing the universe, you're showing this person that you're not just going to treat me any which way because whatever's going on in your life, that's not happening, especially if you haven't done anything to this person. For some of you, if you have, then you may have thought that I thought we sorted it out, or I didn't feel like you felt that way about me. None of us are perfect, because sometimes we can do things to people that we may not feel is, hurtful to us, but that's why we should, empathy is something that you can't teach, right? But you may have felt like, oh, you know what, maybe I done that, but you've properly racked your brain and you cannot find anything that you did wrong, and all you can think of is either you're jealous of me and you can't be around me. I've done a video on that. Or either you're upset with me for some reason or the other and you're not telling me about that, but I cannot help you because you're not conversing with me. I can't help you. So you've got your own things going on, so you've taken yourself away, and now this person is left with their choices. Now this person is left with their guilt, and for some of you, they are blocked off from you, and you're realizing that ever since you've removed yourself from this person, you're winning in life. You're more stable. Look, we've got the Queen of Pentacles and we've got the King of Pentacles. Some of you have found your counterpart. Some of you have found your match. And this person may have made you feel like you can't be around me, man, because the circles that I'm going to be moving in, I can't have someone like you. But you found your match. You found someone that is on a higher level than this person. Financially, mentally, if I say financially first, because this person's materialistic, but money does not equate to your worth. But if this person is very, fixated on status and titles and money, they've been outclassed by you, for some of you, and by the person that you are in a relationship with. Or this could be a person that didn't want to do business with you because they felt like you'll be a liability. Meanwhile, you're making more money than them with your eyes closed when you're sleeping, fam. This is the levels. That's why you must not judge. You mustn't judge. They may have felt like they were working with someone that can make them look good to the public, that can help them make money. Meanwhile, you're making more money than both of them now. And this is the person that they chose to isolate you for. The moral of the story is this: be very careful the way you treat people, because you just never know. You just never know who that person really is. It doesn't matter if a person doesn't have much when you meet them. Things can change. Things can change in a week. Things can change in a year. And for some of you, you remembered how this person treated you, which is making you never return back to them again. And they're going to have to watch or hear how well you're doing. What's that Destiny's Child song again? I'm doing so good. You may want to go and check that out. I'm going to link that song in this video. But guys, keep shining, keep winning. Spirit sees everything. And Spirit rewards. And Spirit's rewarded this person. Spirit has shown this person that, yeah, you thought you were better than them. Okay, I got a surprise for you.